See, I was telling somebody, we were talking about their children, and I told the person, I said, listen to me. I said, when God sent your child to the earth, He sent your child prepackaged. He sent your child prepackaged. That means that everything that's necessary for the existence of that child and its future is already dictated by God and in the child. Our duty as parents and leaders is to extract it, to pull it out, to help that child attain it. But we have to have an idea of what it is. And how do we get that? We get in the face of God and we say, God, you sent this child. What is the purpose of, because we might have a totally different idea why that child came. If we catch it, if we embrace it, we are going to see some liberation coming to us. And we are also going to see how to possess.